All right, let's check in with Mike Eppel again. And of course, our top story here is WestJet. Will they or won't they? And today is a day to watch. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Melanie. They are talking. They're continuing negotiations, according to the WestJet Pilots Association. And WestJet putting out a tweet last night saying that they hadn't heard any indication that there was any work stoppage imminent or anything of that nature. So that's potentially some good news for WestJet customers who, you know, could be looking at major disruption here if, in fact, the WestJet pilots at some point walk off the job. The nation's #2 air carrier is locked in negotiations with its pilots on a number of issues, including wages, scheduling, work rules, and the pilots at the mainline WestJet brand pushing back against WestJet's plan to launch the low-cost discount service Swoop this summer with non-union pilots. So a lot riding on these talks, which apparently are continuing today in Halifax, specifically for WestJet and its Airline Pilots Association. Reduced trade risk globally this morning, as China has said that it is going to reduce the tariffs that it imposes on U.S. Cars and trucks from 25% down to 15%. This is a move by China to, again, alleviate some of the trade tensions between the two countries, which had really shook the markets earlier this year, that we were looking at the potential of a full-blown trade war between China and the U.S. That does not appear to be imminent or anything of that nature at this point. In fact, things appear to be stabilizing and perhaps getting to a more agreeable debate between the two countries. And that has given a major lift here to the stock markets in the near term, because we've got Bay Street coming back from a 3-day weekend on an 11-day winning streak. Wall Street's been up 11 of the past 13 days. And yesterday, huge move for the Dow. It was up almost 300 points. As again, trade-affected companies, Caterpillar, Deere, the auto producers, they were all sharply to the upside. Bay Street has a spotlight on the energy sector because the price for oil this morning is at $72.50 per barrel. It's at a 3.5-year high. And the price for gas did not change over the weekend at $1.39.9, but we'll be watching it over the course of this week. We also get into the big bank earnings season coming up this week for the TSX. That's it from here. We'll send it back to the studio.